I will be giving you a tutorial on how to do a waterfall braid. Now, a waterfall braid is pretty similar to a French braid, so I would suggest learning how to do a French braid first. Lucky for you, I have a video on my channel on how to do a French braid, so you can go check that out. And all you will need for this tutorial is a brush, of any kind, and an elastic. Okay, let's get started. So first, you're going to want to take a little chunk of the hair from the front, about like this big, and you can comb it out if you want. And then you'll split it into 3 even pieces. Alright, now what you're going to do is cross the left one over the middle, and then the right one over the middle, just like you would start a regular French braid. And then you're going to hold that there with your thumb. Cross this one over, but hold it with these 2 fingers. Grab some hair and add it into that. And then you're going to, instead of putting this one back in, you're going to pull it down. And your partner can hold it, or you could just lay it down. And then you'll pick up another chunk of hair from the bottom and put that one over instead of the one you just put down. And you'll repeat that. So hold that there with your thumb, put this strand over, grab a little piece from the head and add it into that. Take this one out from under, put this one over, and then drop it down. And then pick a little piece up about the same size as the one you dropped down. Put it under, hold it with your thumb. Add some hair into this one and then cross it over. Pick this one up. And cross that over. And put this one down. Now, it might take a while to get the hang of it. I know it took a while for me to get it, so don't get frustrated if you can't do it. Just back the video up and go slow. Add some hair. And then put it down. And then continue all the way to the back of the head. Once you get to about here, about like halfway to the back of the head, you have a couple options. You could either just tie it off here, or barrette it, or you could continue a regular braid all the way down. So I'm going to do just a regular braid with the remaining hair I have. And then once you finish the braid, you'll take your elastic and just tie it off. And if you have pieces like this, you can just like try to tuck them in somewhere so they'll stay like that. And then you can let go of all the pieces you took out, and you can brush them out. And that is how the final product looks. So that is how you make a waterfall braid. I hope this helped you. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!